Welcome to the TripCare, Managing Standing Orders training video. By the end of this video, you'll be able to view active standing orders using the Standing Orders tab, modify standing orders by editing, recertifying, or terminating requests. Before we get started, let's review what standing orders are. Standing orders are trips for members who are going to the same location, at the same time, on the same days for an extended duration. They're set up so you don't have to input the same trip multiple times. To access the Standing Orders page and view current standing orders, you'll click on the Standing Orders tab. TripCare lists active standing orders for each facility by the members' last names. If you're associated with multiple facilities, you'll see standing orders for your default facility when you first open the page. You can use the facility drop-down to filter by facility, if you have more than one. You can also check the View My Members Only box to only see standing orders associated with your members. You'll see columns with the recertification date, days of service, appointment and return times, level of service, and transportation provider name. You can also sort the list by member by clicking on the column header. You'll click the column header a second time to resort the list in the reverse order. The column you use to sort the list shows an arrow icon that indicates the sort order. You're also able to sort by recertify date. The Standing Orders page also features 3 options, in the form of icons, next to each standing order. Let's look at the different options. Terminate is the first icon. Clicking this red X allows you to open the Terminate trip fields, canceling the entire standing order. This could be used if the member's treatment ended, for example. To finish terminating the standing order, you'll enter the date of the member's last visit, and select the reason the member no longer attends the facility, and enter optional comments. After completing these fields, you can click Submit, then continue in the confirmation message to confirm you want to terminate this standing order. This removes the standing order from the list. Another option is Edit and Recertify, which is used when you need to change a current standing order. This will open a new standing order request, which MotiveCare will review, then create a new standing order for future trips, replacing the former order. The current standing order will be terminated during this process. The new standing order request will be pre-filled with information from the existing standing order, and you can update the fields you need to change. When you're editing and recertifying, make sure to update the start date to a future date. You cannot backdate changes to the standing order. You'll need to make sure your selected start date falls on the same day of the week as your new standing order days. You'll also need to add a note in the Special Requests section, indicating you're submitting a change for an existing standing order. Once you've made your changes, you'll click Complete Trip Request to submit the new standing request to MotiveCare. Now, you'll see a summary page with your updated, pending request. Remember, MotiveCare will review it and it will replace the existing standing order once approved. Let's navigate back to the main Standing Orders page to see our final option. MotiveCare requires facilities to recertify standing orders periodically, which typically occurs on a quarterly basis, or between every 30 through 60 days. This recertification period is based on the member's insurance. You can use our final icon, the check mark, to recertify and update your standing orders online. You'll be asked if you want to recertify the trip for 90 days. If you click Continue to confirm the recertification, you'll see the standing order updated with the new recertify date in the list. Now, you know how to use the Standing Orders tab to view, edit, recertify, and terminate standing orders.